I'll complete here. We have pent to in. I said to you, if you have a number between the name, that's to say the position of the double bonding. Okay, so pent, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. In, I have double bonding. Where is the position of this double bonding? In carbon number 2. So I made it 2 times for you. I start to count here from 1, 2, 3, 4 and put the double bonding in carbon 2 and make it another time here. Start to count from the right, 1, 2 and put the double bonding 2 here. Okay, we have another formula. We have 3-methyl pentane. Okay, so I'll start from here. Pent, that's to say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent. Ane, that's to say single bonding between carbon and carbon. 3, explain to me that in carbon number 3, 1, 2, 3, I'll hang methyl group like this. I think it's very easy. And here, take care. We have 2,2-dimethyl butane. I'll start from here. But, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Ane, that's to say I'll put between them single carbon bonding. Okay? 2, 3, that's to say in carbon number 2 and in carbon number 3, I have to hang what? Methyl group. Both of them methyl group? Yes, because he said dimethyl. So here methyl and here methyl. Dimethyl. So I have 2 methyl groups, hang one with carbon number 2 and one with carbon number 3. Okay, but here we have 2,2-dimethyl butane. But, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Ane, that's to say single bonding like this. 2, 2 that I hang in carbon number 2 times 2 groups of methyl. 2, 2. In carbon number 2, I'll put methyl. And in carbon number 2 also I'll put methyl. So I'll hang 2 methyl group like this. Both of them in carbon number 2. Okay? It's important to know how draw and draw the formula and name the formula. I want from you to revise with me what does it mean by structural isomerism. A structural isomerism, that's to say I have molecules with the same molecular formula but different in structural formula. Let's see the examples. Here I have but1-ene. But1-ene. Why but1, 2, 3, 4? So but-ene because I have double bonding. Where is the position of carbon number of double bonding? Carbon number 1. So we call it but1-ene. How many carbon? 4. How many hydrogen? 8. Look here. I have also 4 carbon and 8 hydrogen, but I name it 1, 2, 3, 4, so but, double bonding, so ene. Where is the position of double bonding? Second carbon, so but2-ene. But1-ene is different from but2-ene. Look here, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many hydrogen? 8. But what I call it, I'll name from the long chain. 1, 2, 3, so prop. I have double bond, so it will be ene, so propene. And in carbon number 2, I hang methyl group, so 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. When I ask you find I give you a structural formula and ask you which of them will be isomers for the other, okay? You will count the number of carbon and the number of hydrogen only if you find them the same and the different structural formula, so you have isomerism. And also here, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon and 12 hydrogen. Also here, 5 carbon, 12 hydrogen. 5 carbon, 12 hydrogen. Okay, so all of them are isomerism for pentane, single bonding, okay? single bonding. What we call this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pent, single bonding, so ane, so pentane. But how I name this? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. The long chain, 4 carbon, so bute. And in carbon number 2 hang methyl group, so 2 methyl butane. Sorry أنا قلت بنت هي bute لأن أنا I'll count the long chain 1 2 3 4 so bute and single bond, so it will be ane. In carbon number 2 hang methyl group, so 2 methyl butane. Also isomers because contain the 5 carbons and the 12 hydrogen. Here count the long chain 1 2 3, so prop, and I have 2 methyl groups, so 2 dimethyl propane, 2 dimethyl propane. This all thing I want from you in chapter 18, and today was a practical application to write organic compounds formula. Thank you, best wishes.